Hey, this is Jake from DELTAC Firearm Accessories, and today I want to show you how to use our tungsten buffer weights. Now, these are weights for your AR-15, and this is what the weights are in the AR itself. You should already have this piece in your AR. If you don't, you can buy this piece separately. You can buy all this from deltac.net. And if you check the description, there might be a little coupon code there for you for 10% off. The AR-15 comes with stainless steel weights inside of this piece, and we're going to replace it with heavier weights to help negate some of that recoil. So first off, we're going to take this pin out of the middle. We use a punch. You can use really anything, but I have a punch, so I'm going to use it. We also sell this on deltac.net, sold separately. So you can't push right through the middle because the pin is hollow, so you got to push on the sides to kind of get it out. There you go. Pull the pin out. Make sure you don't lose the pin. Just remove the silicone piece. And there you go. You have inside 3 weights, stainless steel weights, and 3 rubber pads. Don't lose those pads either. The weights that come in the AR weigh about 20 grams, 21 grams. Our weights are double that. So this is going to help reduce your recoil a lot. So we're going to take this piece here. First, put one of those rubber pads in. Make sure it's flat in there. Drop your weight. Put a second rubber pad. Drop the weight. Your third rubber pad, drop the weight, and there's that. With all 3 in there, it's about 140 grams. But if you only had the stainless steel weights in there, 82 grams. So there you go. These tungsten weights are going to be a lot heavier. They're going to help reduce that recoil about a lot. Now, if for some reason you don't want all 3 weights in there, you can have 1 tungsten weight and 2 stainless steel. That's considered H1. You can have 2 tungsten weights and 1 stainless steel. It's considered H2. And then 3 tungsten weights is considered H3. Do whatever is most comfortable for you with that recoil, but we're going to go ahead and put our tungsten weights back in. Then all we got to do now is put the rubber piece back on, make sure the holes line up, and then we're just going to push the pin in. The holes have to be lined up perfectly for that pin to go in. Pin goes in, and if it doesn't go in all the way, just get a mallet or push it against the table. I also like to use a flathead screwdriver just to kind of get it flush. And there you go. This is now going to fit in the AR-15 with a lot heavier weights in there, so it's going to reduce that recoil by a ton. So if you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments down below. But until next time, this is Jake from DELTAC Firearm Accessories. See you next time.